Today we'll set up the post stand for a microscope. This focus mount is used with the PZM3 or PZM4 microscope head. This one is designed for use with the new Enhanced Reality microscope. These are the pieces of the stand: a base, a vertical post extension, one guard ring support, one reversible plate, a clutch handle, a post cap, and a focus mount. Either the 504-947 focus mount, which is included with the 503-102 stand, or the 505-609 focus mount, included with the 505-608 stand for the Enhanced Reality microscope. Set the base flat on a solid table or work surface. Screw the threaded end of the vertical post into the black support block on the base. Use a hex key to tighten the screw in the side of the black support block to secure the vertical post. Screw the post extension into the top of the vertical post. Then screw the post top cap back into the top of the post. Screw the clutch handle into the hole in the side of the guard ring support. Then slide the guard ring support onto the vertical post. Tighten the clutch handle to secure the guard ring support. Slide the focus mount over the vertical post and gently place it against the guard ring support. Slide the reversible plate into place in the circular cutout of the base. Position the front edge first and press it into place near the finger indentation at the rear center of the circular cutout. You may position it with the white side up or the black side up. The plate is reversible. If you have any questions, just give us a call.